Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's imagine a free crypto giveaway on Bitcoin network. Yes, it's happening with Ducat Airdrop. Ducat Protocol is building a decentralized Bitcoin native stablecoin directly on Bitcoin Layer-1, and they have just launched their testnet airdrop, which is Quanta, where user can earn points for future Ducat tokens. If you are interested into crypto airdrops, mining and passive earning, then this one's for you. In this video, we'll break down how to beginner can join the Ducat airdrop step by step. Also, we'll cover what is Ducat, how to set up your wallet, and how to complete all the tasks to maximize your reward. All important links in the description below. Hit the link in the description for the Ducat airdrop. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel for real-time update. Then, what is Ducat? So its core Ducat Airdrop is a reward campaign. According to Ducat, it is the first self-custodied stable coin system built directly on Bitcoin Layer-1. Everything you can find here. If I explain all the things, then video will go long. But in simple terms, you lock up some of your Bitcoin and immediately get a stable coin or same amount of USD. You can use the stable coin for payment, trading, and yield farming. All governance happen with the Ducat token on Bitcoin chain too, making decision making transparent and secure. In fact, Ducat significant funding, total 4 million raised at now, backed by major crypto investors. The whole system is pure Bitcoin power, all secured by Bitcoin blockchain. How to start? Ducat Ball page will prompt you to connect a wallet, Xverse or Unisat to get started. The first step to install a Bitcoin tapped wallet that support Bitcoin Testnet. Two popular choices are Xverse or Unisat, both free browser extension or mobile app. After installing, open your wallet on your browser and switch your wallet to Bitcoin Testnet. Then open the Ducat app, link in the description, and click connect wallet. Then sign in for approve the connection in your wallet. Once connected, a faucet should pop up on the screen. Use it to request Bitcoin testnet. This is Ducat private Bitcoin testnet. Enter an amount of Satoshi and your wallet address. Then hit make it rain to get tested in your wallet. If the in-app faucet doesn't work, I will give this faucet link in the Telegram post. You can go use it to claim. Now your wallet is ready. In the bold section, press create vault, deposit some of your testnet BTC, even a small amount work, and borrow some unit stable coin. This action deposit and borrowing is log on testnet and earn your Quanta point. Each day reconnect and repeat. Claim more test BTC and adjust your vault. Increase your testnet activity can boost your Quanta score. For example, withdrawing and redepositing shows continue engagement. Try to deposit larger amount of BTC in your vault if you can. Ducat system values higher stake. In fact, each referral you bring in must create a vault at least of $500 worth of Bitcoin, so larger vault can boost your potential. If $500 is too much, even a few $100 of BTC also help. Finally, jump to the earn Quanta option. Here complete all mission, leverage social media and bonus mission. Beyond daily check-in, complete all the bonus tasks, all Ducat campaign. Connect your Twitter X and tag Ducat, share post and join the Discord channel. Ducat even offer extra contract for holding special community rules or NFTs. In short, the more you engage with the community, share likes, even having a spot of the Discord, the more point you will earn. Each step you earn Ducat's loyalty point. All Quanta isn't actual money, but it's how Ducat take your participation for the token airdrop. The more points you have, the better your chance to receiving future Ducat reward. Ducat also rewards you for bringing friends abroad. In the dashboard, you will find a unique referral link or code. Share this in your social media platform or your crypto group. For every person who sign up through your links, find their wallet and create a vault at least of $500 BTC, you earn extra Quanta point. It's simple. More referral, more point. Remember, referred friends must create at least $500 vault for you to get credit. So help them to get set up and you both win. Stay active regularly. Don't log in just once. Revisit the app daily or every few days to claim more faucet token and interact with a vault. The system is built to reward consistent engagement. Treat it like a game. Earn interest on testnet. The more you play, the more you contribute collect. That's all. If you have followed all the steps, you are on the track to earn as many as Quanta points as possible. While no airdrop is 100% guaranteed, doing everything above definitely maximize your chance. Make sure to follow our Telegram channel, X and Discord so you get more new crypto airdrops, earnings and mining related updates. Also hit the link in the description now to access the Ducat app and get started. If you found this guide helpful, like the video and subscribe for more beginner friendly crypto project tutorials. Hit the bell icon so don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy and keep supporting us. See you in the next video. Goodbye.